Today I'm going to be unboxing the BOSE Soundlink Color 2, which is a budget-friendly speaker from BOSE. If you say 11,500 rupees is budget-friendly, but currently it is at 9,200 rupees on both Amazon.in and FlipKart.com. So is it worthy of the BOSE name? Let's find out. Today we are unboxing the BOSE Soundlink Color 2, a budget-friendly option from BOSE. Once open, in the box we find the speaker. Also included is a micro USB cable and some manuals. The BOSE Soundlink Color 2 is the cheapest Bluetooth speaker from BOSE's stable. It has improved over its sibling physically. Gone are the hard plastic buttons. Now we have smooth rubberized buttons, and the entire body also has the same coating, making the speaker more grippable. We have the BOSE branding on the top and an embossed logo at the back. The speaker has a solid build and is IPX4 rated, meaning it's only splash resistant. The speaker will last through light rain if you're outside, but it cannot be dunked into water. On the side are a 3.5mm input and a micro USB jack for charging. Sadly, no charging brick is included, only a micro USB cable. Not sure why many manufacturers are not including this anymore. The speaker is easy to set up using the BOSE Connect app, available on both Android and iOS. The on-screen instructions are very much Apple-like, and the device was paired pretty easily. This is not a feature-packed speaker, so no NFC pairing, no pair 2 speakers to play in stereo option, cannot use it as a power bank as other competitors can. It's a simple speaker with no bells and whistles. Battery life is estimated to be around 8 hours, but that would depend on the volume you have set. Other competitors claim 10 hours to even 40 hours, but you didn't buy a BOSE for the battery, you bought it for the sound quality. So let's get into what you all been waiting for, the audio test. The audio is recorded via my mic, but not sure how it might sound on your speakers. What I found is the audio quality is pretty good and it can fill a small or medium-sized room pretty well. The bass is pretty good and well balanced, and it doesn't affect the rest of the sound. The mids and vocal clarity is amazing for a speaker this size. The audio is clean and does not distort even at high volumes. The speaker won't please users who want a lot of bass, but people who like instrumental vocal and even rock might enjoy these speakers. The speakers are loud, but not something you could throw a party with. My overall view on these speakers is, if you need a Bluetooth speaker for personal use and are not too much into bass heavy music and also need them to be rugged and easy to carry around, the BOSE Soundlink Color 2 will not disappoint. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to click on the notification bell to be informed when new videos are added. Thank you for watching.